We've talked about default dicts in Python. Now let's see them in action. Import default dict from the collections module. This is the default factory and it returns 42. Now myDict is a default dict with this default factory. myDict of A is 1, that of B is 2, and that of C is 3. So what is myDict of D? 42, the default value, because D is not a key in this dictionary. This is another default dict where the default value is 23, provided by a lambda expression. Hannah has scored a 98, Lucy scored 76. What is Hannah's score? 98. And what's Irene's score? Since it isn't a key in the default dict, her score is 23, the default value. And these are the keys present in this dictionary. This is a list mylist. This is a default dict with list as the default factory. For each key and value in mylist, append the key value pair to the default dict. This is the default dict now. The default value is an empty list. This is a string, and this is a default dict with int as the default factory. For each letter in the string, increase the value of the key, which is the letter, by 1. This is the dict now. There's no O, so the default value for int is 0. Switchboard. A switchboard has 6 switches. Write a function that returns a string of 6 zeros and ones. 0 for the switches that are off and 1 for those that are on. Only one switch can be on at a time. This is the switchboard. It takes one argument. Which switch should be on? Board is a default dict with the default value of 0. For the specified switch, value is 1. For numbers 1 to 6 as keys, join the values together. So switch 4 means the fourth switch is on, the rest are off. The second switch is on here, and the sixth one here. Scratch card. 10 people buy a scratch card each. Randomly, one of them wins $1,000. Everyone else wins $1 each. Write a function implementing this. Let's import the choice function from the random module. This is a scratch card. The tickets are from 1 to 10. Results is a default dict with $1 as the default value. Randomly, a value is picked from tickets, and as a key, its value is set to $1,000. Then the results are printed. Make a call to this function scratch card and you'll see that there's a random winner each time. The rest of them have won only $1.